Now let's talk about storing the product. Once you receive it, there's two things you can do. You can place it in refrigeration, in which the product lasts for up to 30 days, or you can place it in frozen storage, in which you have a 6-month shelf life. One thing you'll note, on the back of each bar is an expiration date. What this date represents is the time in which you either need to consume the product or place it in frozen storage. So if a customer asks if it's past this date and you've kept it frozen, it's completely fine to eat. Just tell them to put it in the freezer at their house and they'll be good to go. If you place it in refrigeration, a lot of locations do have sample fridges. We recommend keeping a few boxes fully intact and then have a few where the top is torn off if someone wants to grab an individual bar. This is also a great place to store the sample bites for easy access. We found that definitely through sampling the product, you're able to sell more because people are more likely to purchase by the box versus by the bar. One last thing to note, if a customer asks after they buy the product, how do they need to store it? We definitely recommend long-term refrigeration for the customer, but if they want to take it, throw it in a gym bag, take it to work, it is fine out of refrigeration for up to a couple days and still be edible.